and welcome to Movie Star Planet. I've got the hiccups today. Okay, this will come down in a minute, right? Okay, right, but anyway, I deleted over 200 friends today, so I couldn't record. It was a bad time because I was just going out and I didn't have time to upload. Oh my god, I'm just going to delete this video. Hello and welcome to Movie Star Planet. So I have the hiccups right now, but I'm just going to push through this video and talk really fast. So I deleted over 200 friends today so that I can add new people. So we're going to go in a chat room and see what it's like. Sorry there's no friends online, I need a pixie star. Okay, so hey guys, say hey to YouTube. I don't know what her thing's called. According to. Like, when I said that I was recording, I don't think people believed. So yeah, that's why I haven't got any gifts. So, yeah, so she's telling me to add her. I don't think, ow, that was her. Okay, there we go. Okay, say hi to YouTube. Say hi YouTube. Say hi YouTube. Everybody say hi. There we go. Now that's how the music. Okay. Oops. This one. Okay. Let me hear you say hi. Hi. So, hey. Guys, look at this. Really weird. And then it goes dark, and then you're like, oh my god, why did it happen? Okay, but by the way, I just turned the brightness down if you didn't see that. It might have gone different on the screen, and it might have not. Say hi to YouTube. Lol. Say hi to YouTube. See if this is hi. Oh, jeez, what did I just do? I didn't just break it. I don't know what these do. So, probably should. What? What is he on about? Does he speak a different language? Maybe he only understands hi. I don't really know. Okay guys, I'll be back in just 1 sec. Okay, I'm back. And yeah. So just gonna say hey. Let's see how much coins I have in here. Oh wow, 325. Here's a hey. I'm recording for YouTube. So, can I have gifts? So no amount of times, like 2 days ago, but oh, I didn't get gifts like 2 days ago, so please, oh my Jesus. get some. Please? Let me hear you say hey, hey, hey. Oh no. Move away. Okay. Well then, can I have a wish? Please. Can I have a? Can I have wish? No. Okay. Do you want to be someone? I said so. Nothing really.
Oh.
That was rude. Hey, hey. Whoa, what this girl doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? That was just wrong. Hi, Twitter. Hi, girls. And let me hear you say hey, 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 hey. That was so random. But, hi. Let's just say hi for the hell of it. Say, oh, okay, right. Taylor Swift, 91 something. Wow. Oh, thank you for that gift. Let's send it to you. Oh. Well, she gave me a gift. She gave me that. It's quite nice. What's my wish list? Yeah. When I earn money, then what is she saying? Fine, I'm just doing so great. Me? Sorry, ripped headphones users. God, don't you just hate it when that happens? Okay, let's check out. Boom. Whoa, Jesus. How is there? Okay. 5 things. She's put I don't care. That's why I don't really like putting stuff up. Okay. No. Oh wow. So it's like this just. Is Howard in your class? No. No. Is Amber in your class? Just a random name. No, is Amber in the class? There's a lot of Ambers in here. Okay, right. Just random name. So, yeah, thanks for watching my video. There's 2 things. No, I don't. Okay, what's this? That's slightly odd. Yeah, no. Okay, right, thank you for watching and hope you know, come and watch again. So yeah, sorry, that's my brother's project. So yeah.